Where are you going? Come back. Come back. What should we do? What should we do? Do you want to jump? Jump. 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 Hop. No, what are you doing? Say hippopotamus. Say hippopotamus.
Ladies.
What's your name?
Lena.
What's your name?
Lena.
Lena? Do you have to go potty?
Pee-pee.
Pee-pee? What do you get if you go potty? What do you get? What if you get if you go on the potty? Do you get an M&M? Say M&M. Yeah? No? Let's go potty. Where's your potty?
Well, she was sitting on it, she was sitting on it in my bathroom for not even that long, and she got up and I saw like the red marks on her leg.
Good girl. Good girl.